I've arrived in a really nice spot for the night on the Isle of Skye. I've been driving all day and it's been a bit hectic, and I've driven through rain showers. I didn't think it was going to lift actually, and then I was greeted with this afternoon, so it really is 5 seasons in one day at the moment. But I'm down in this lovely quiet spot down on the Sleep Peninsula on the Isle of Skye. Skye is one of those places that is really busy in only a few locations. So if you head to the lesser known places, you can just be greeted with empty beaches like this and just real peacefulness by the water. So that's what I'm after tonight. Because it's so bright, I'm going to go and make some dinner for myself and then see what the sunset brings later as the light goes down a little bit. The wind's dropped now and it's lovely and calm, so while I'm waiting I thought I'd take my phone in its underwater housing and just have a look what's underneath that water. I'm still waiting for the sun to go down, and it's a really lovely opportunity to just sit and watch the water and listen to the sounds. So I've had a busy few days at home and it's just wonderful to be here, even just for the night by myself. I seem to be able to think more clearly, and I definitely create more intensely when I am solo in the landscape without any distractions. And I love the fact that there's no technology. There's often no Wi-Fi. I haven't got Wi-Fi here. I haven't got signal. I haven't got mobile signal here. No connectivity. And then you allow your brain to just really decompress. You're not waiting for those beeps. We're almost addictive to distraction in our normal lives at the moment, and we're not used to silence or being by ourselves. So it's a really nice thing to practice just for one night, to be completely out of signal, completely alone, and to really just hear those sounds of nature. For me, I go home much better person, a healthier, happier person, and I've usually created a lot of work or done some really good writing or something, or had some amazing thoughts. It's the time that creativity really comes to the foreground for me. So I just wanted to pop that in because it's such a peaceful evening here tonight that it's really come to the forefront of my mind how important it is for me to do this once in a while, and I'd encourage everybody else to do it once in a while as well if you can.